Imagine getting a list of freshly founded companies and reaching the exact decision makers before everyone knows they exist. Most businesses fight for leads too late. But what if I told you you could get in first? I've grown a system agency to 100K a month, helping over 500 7 to 8-figure companies land high-value clients on demand. Today, I'm building you one of the most powerful lead gen systems out there, step by step. In this video, I'll show you how to scrape Crunchbase for newly funded companies before everyone else, how to find their decision makers' emails using very easy tools, how to automate lead enrichment using Meg.com, and how to build a simple system to rise and repeat for any industry. So why Crunchbase? So Crunchbase isn't just a database, it's a gold mine of world's fastest growing companies where you can spot high intent buyers before they even start looking for solutions and connect with the right people behind them. So by the end of this video, you'll have a fully automated lead generation system to generate high intent clients on autopilot. All the resources are going to be in description like always. So whether you're first starting out and trying to get your first client or you're an established business looking to scale, this video is for you.
All right, everyone. So I am in the Crunchbase platform right here, which is just the dashboard. And the way I got in here, I just went to Crunchbase.com and I signed up. Basically, just sign up using your account. And you have to go to Crunchbase free trial. So it's going to be the free trial. And they're going to give you 7 days for free, right? It's going to give you 7 days. So you're just going to sign up, right? And then you can get access to basically their search dashboard. If you go to this dashboard, you can see a bunch of parameters that I'm going to walk you guys through. So you can search for companies, contacts, investors, founding rounds, acquisitions, people, events, schools, and hubs. So a bunch of filters that are pretty cool. As you guys can see, there's trending on Crunchbase. You can see OpenAI, Perplexity, Anthropic. They're the big sharks in the market right now. There's also Cursor, Google, blah, blah, blah. So once you sign up, you're going to go to search, like I said, and you're going to basically find all of this 3 million results. The cool part is it includes company type, website, actively hiring, top 5 investors, founders. And you can basically click on add column. You can just enrich this just like Clay, which is awesome. Now, what do I want? I want to start filtering, edit search. And I'm just going to start by looking for companies that are, click on overview. And let me check this. So if I click on AI, let's see what happens. So 84K results. And I want to look for company status, active deals. I want to look for signals. If I click on growing, I'll have 7,000 results. And then what else do I need? Contacts. Gotta go to deals, deal in stage, company status. Obviously, I want for profits. I want to go to financials and then last funding. I want to click on Series A and I also want Series B. So I'm at 1,500 leads. So these are all companies that are growing and just recently funded. So I'm going to look at this company here. Poly Markets. Yeah, okay, so this is a crypto. It's a crypto startup or crypto company. Mistral AI or like an AI platform. There's Brave here. Cloudflare, Hugging Face, Harvey. These are big companies. Awesome. So now that I have all these leads, these are companies, AI companies that are growing and they are funded in Series A and they are for profit. So how do I get these leads? So typically you have to click on export, but you're going to have to talk with their team to basically download up to 5K. Now, how do we get this? I'm going to go to a platform that I like, which is called Epify. And whenever you guys want to scrape anything from any platform, just go to Epify and look for basically whatever platform that is. And you're going to see that people are actually building scrapers that does this for you. So instead of just trying to look for them on like Reddit or X or whatever. So I'm just going to look for Crunchbase. And there's a ton of like people that actually are actively scraping Crunchbase. So there's this guy here. There's this guy here. Let's look through this one. Okay, this one is good. So ultimate Crunchbase search scraper. So I can basically put in probably like a search URL maybe. So I'm just going to go try for free. So once you sign up to Epify, you're going to go here and then scrape Crunchbase companies, people, investors, acquisition, etc. from Crunchbase search results. Has 99% success rate. Okay, let's try this. So I require a search or list URL. So I'm going to copy this. I'm just going to paste here. And then I'm going to go to cookie. So you're going to download, edit this cookie. You're going to copy and paste this here. I'm going to paste this here. And in terms of proxy, always click on residential. Okay. Run options, no timeout. And let's rent this actor. They give us what? 1 day, and then it's $30 a month. In terms of total numbers, I'm just going to use what we have here. So I have 1,500, and I'm going to click on 1,500. And all I have to do now is basically click on start. So click on start. So once I have it, everything is going to work. Awesome. So I'm just going to wait for this to finish, and I'm going to get back to you guys. All right, everyone. So I waited like 15 minutes, and then now I have 1,500 leads. Like I scraped everything here from this page. So now what I can do, guys, is going to go to storage, copy this. So I'm going to copy the data set ID, which is basically where the data is. I'm going to go to make.com. And let's just look through this data that we have here, shall we? So in terms of the data, I think we're going to get everything here. So I'm not sure we're going to have to personalize a lot, but I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So I'm going to go to Epify, get dataset items, right? Always make sure it's get dataset items and click on dataset ID. Limit, let's just use one. So let's click one and let's look at this data that we have here. So, okay, so I have the company name, which is Polymarket. We have the company type which is for profits. Website, awesome. So this saves me the hassle of finding a website. I have the permalink founder identifiers. So I have the permalink, which is this is the guy. Okay, so permalink is the founder. So I think we have to use like maybe like a split by a dash, and then we're capitalizing the first and second. Okay, let me look through this. Okay, oh no, we have the first name and last name. Awesome, so I have value, first name, last name, so I don't need to do all that bullshit. Awesome, thank you, Curious Coder. So this guy is actually the GOAT, like 1,500 leads, scraping Crunchbase, bypassing all this like 100 million company. Wow. Like kudos to you, my man. And then we have short description and a long description. Okay, so I need this. Growth inside growing, last funding ads. Awesome. So I don't think I need to scrape that website. I have everything I need. So this system is going to be extremely scalable. Wow. Can't believe I'm sharing this on YouTube. Yeah. I don't care. Like you guys should make money. Like it's funny. I receive emails and people actually like joining the community. And they're like, wow, now I implemented everything that you're showing in the YouTube. Well, now I have a booked meeting with a client. Like, what do I say? What should I do? And they get freaked out. They're like, wow, like it's so easy to get a client that now when I jump on the sales call with them, what do I say? And we have a trainer in the community. Shout out to a friend of mine. It's called Vishal. He just did last week he did he's like a cold caller master. Like he used to work for 10 years as an SDR, and imagine having that person in your community, right? So it's like a huge value. So, early stage venture, blah, blah, blah. So I have everything I need. Now I can just feed this to find the email. So find the email, guys, is the way we're going to find email. So there's two platforms, really. There's two. There's Any Email Finder and there's Find the Email. Both are great. Any Email Finder can find the percentage of Any Email Finder finding emails is more than Find the Email, but this one is a little bit pricey, right? And the way they do this is they query the first name and last name, and they just try to ping their website. So if, for example, like for instance, I have Saad, and my company is MyoProcess. You can use MyoProcess as is the company, or you can use the website. And I find better results using the website, just because they ping the website, right? If I go here, they're gonna find my email, which is gonna be pretty easy. So yeah, Saad. So they tried Saad at MyoProcess, Saad B, Saad, everything until they find it. And the same thing for Find the Email. So all you have to do is sign up, click free trial. They're gonna give you free credits, and just use. This is exactly what I've done. So I'm gonna look for find the email, and then that's pretty much it. I have to go to find an email from name and domain. All you have to do is map everything else now. So since I have the full name, right? So if I go to founder identifiers, and this is the value of the person, the website is value. All I have to do, click save, run this once. I have an error here. Oh, not enough credits. Am I mapping the right connection? Hopefully. Yeah. Not enough credit. I need to I need to check which one. I think it's this account. I have so many accounts, guys. Run once. Yeah, okay, so this is the one. So it was quick. We found the email. So now I have everything I need. So basically I can just feed this into Claude, right? I can go to Claude, which is create a prompt, Claude. So you can use Claude, OpenAI, Perplexity, whatever you want. So I'm just going to use Claude because Claude is the best now at writing emails or generating text-based information. So use 3060 and select messages. In terms of prompts, what do I feed prompts? So if you guys saw the last video, I shared with you guys the playbook, which is sales playbook, which is this one, which is basically what I use now. No, this is sales system playbook. Okay, so if you want to know how to write emails, how to build a campaign, get your first customer before even joining the community, just go ahead and look at this, right? Just download this. Like we have like more than 300 sales from this playbook. Just go ahead and download this, and you're gonna get your first client. Trust me, and just watch other videos in this channel. And then if you don't know what to say in the sales call, just send me an email. So now I'm gonna look for AI personalization. I think it's this one. Yeah. So I have another playbook. A playbook for everything, guys. You need it. How the hell are you going to operate a 100K business without playbooks, internal playbooks? So I'm going to go to, I'm going to read through this. I think I already have this. So let's just think about it, guys. So I'm reaching out to companies that already have millions of dollars. So the typical deal size is going to be really huge. If I land the clients with them, or if you can land the clients with them, it's going to be like more than 5K. And these are AI companies. I'm reaching out to a founder. So typically when working with founders, they appreciate more of a conversational, casual tone. So I can be a little bit more, I can talk to them like I'm talking to someone. Like it's kind of like when you're talking to someone on Twitter in the comments, and Sam Altman just randomly responds to you, or Elon Musk just randomly talks to you, just because these tech savvy founders appreciate more of a conversational. They're like more normal people. They're not like suited up, and especially it's AI now, so it's booming. So the tone is going to be definitely from a founder to a founder. So market research, I know this. I know the dream result, which is acquire more clients. Pain discovery, I know they want to get more clients again. So industry terminology, it is my industry. So I am, I'm a sales agency owner. Like I'm using AI, so we are in the same industry. So we both are tech savvy. So I can mention things like automated lead gen, filtering through keywords of finding decision makers. So all of these keywords I can say. So because people are going to understand it since they are in AI, especially founders now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this prompt, which is create a casual insider style congratulatory message for companies that feel personal. And since it's fellow from founder to founder. Okay, great. So I'm just going to use this. I'm going to copy this. Then go back to my system here, and I'm going to add content. Content is going to be text. And text, I'm going to include this. So create a casual insider. So companies, what are these companies? Company type. So, okay. I'm just going to feed in this. I have growing. So I'm going to growing, Series B, early stage, venture. So what else do I need? Categories. So what is the category? Is there any category here? Polymarket. Fund and type, blah, blah, blah. Where is the category? Like, I know it's AI, right? I'm not really sure if it's AI. Copy. Polymarket. So it's a crypto. I believe it's crypto Polymarket. I've seen this in Twitter. Oh yeah, it's a crypto. Okay, so it's a crypto company. There's keywords probably here. Categories. Blockchain. Categories. Let me look through. Founder identifiers. Identifier here. Company type. I'm pretty sure there is like something here. Predictive analysis, investor, robot, growing. How about we do something else? We feed in description here. The description, which is, the short description. Okay, so prediction. So predictive analytic. Okay, so, this company is predictive analytics. Okay, so this is the category. Interesting. And then I'm just going to feed in web provider website data, provided data. I'm going to click on data here. And all I have to do is I'm going to feed in the description, the company description, which is short description. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Click save. And we're going to generate 3 variations, guys. And I'm going to show you why we're doing this. Okay, so let's look through the output of Claude. Click on this. Congrats on securing that Series B funding round. I know how tough it is to raise capital for a blockchain startup. Wow, that is good. Love what you're doing at Polymarkers. Letting traders stake their views on real-world events is such a clever use case. We've helped other blockchain projects find the perfect customer profile to drive adoption. Awesome job on the Series B Polymarket team. Prediction markets are such an intriguing intersection of finance and current events. Our client growth systems have been pivotal for Web3 companies looking to acquire the right users at scale. Always happy to share some insights if you're looking to supercharge growth. Killing it with that Series B raise, Polymarket. I'm a big believer in the potential of decentralized prediction markets. Holy shit, guys. This is some really good personalization. A few blockchain gaming clients used our demand gen strategies and later focus their marketing spend on high value users, maybe to explore as you scale. Wow. So I can use this in my email. Wow. Let me think about this now. Do I need to generate an entire email? This looks like an entire email. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. So guys, if you guys don't know, there's multiple ways to reach out to these founders and multiple ways to essentially pitch your service. Now that I'm thinking about it, right, I'm reaching out to high quality leads, high quality people that are going to spend money to acquire clients. So I can just have this email. So this is an entire email. It's going to be the first non-pushy CTA email. Awesome. So this is going to be an entire email that I'm going to use. Instead of just generating one email where I'm pitching myself, I'm just going to send first email. It's going to be just like a high level, like congratulations. I'm just like saying, hey, I noticed you. And then the second email is going to have my service, which is going to be the follow-up. So this is kind of like what you do if you're really reaching out to these companies. I've never shared this on YouTube. This is like some 7-figure advice. So, congrats. I'm just going to remove this because I want to delete all of this right here, and you guys will know why. Wait, no. Okay. Save. And let's look through this. Okay, congrats on the Series B raise. Love seeing blockchain companies get the capital they need to scale and innovate. We've seen how building targeted outreach can unlock big growth for protocols like yours by connecting directly with engaged high-value prediction market traders. Keep pushing forward. That is good. Exciting times ahead. Major props on this Series B funding. You all must be stoked to double down on platform and define in real-time event trading. Looking forward to more degen opportunities soon. Okay, so now essentially what I'm going to do, generate one variation based on the provided data. And here's what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to add a set variable. It's going to be set variable dream email. So this is my dream email, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to add my results here, and I'm going to add this signature that I always say. I'm sad. I'm sad, by the way. And I build AI. I'm sad, by the way, and I build AI support outbound machines so founders can focus on closing business. I'm going to have hey here, a hey, or maybe I'll have, I can have the first name. So since I have the first name, I'm just going to split this. So split this. If you guys don't know how to split, just going to split this by a space. There's a space here. So you're going to split by a space, and then get based off. So there's a space. I'm going to get the first one. So first name, and I'm going to add my hey there. Hey there. Hey, or maybe just hey. Okay, so have the hey, and then I have the text response. I am sad. And then what should I add now? Would it be crazy if you found some time to chat about this, since I'm already implying that I build AI supported machines? So let me look through this and click save. So this is what I mean by a dream email. Click save, and this flow is actually amazing, guys. As you guys can see, this is we have a lot of data here. And then this one is going to be search email. And this one is going to be what? Generate high quality scary AI personalization. And then save this. And you can essentially just add this to your Instantly account to start your campaign by adding ad lead to a campaign. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to go to campaign ID. So I'm not going to do this. I'm going to go to campaigns, so Instantly. And instead, I'm just going to go to login because I don't want to mess with other campaigns that are already running here. So all I have to do now, go to campaign, funding campaign. And then all I have to do is go back to here and then read through this funding campaign. Email is going to be the guy's email. First name is going to be, again, I'm going to have to split the first name, which is this fella right here. Where's the fella? So it's identifier. So this is the guy. Split based off a space. And then all I have to do is get the first one. And then I'm going to get the second one, right? So company name is going to be, I feel like we don't need to clean up the company names, do we? Personalization is going to be the first email. Dream email. And custom variables. That's pretty much all I need, right? Click on, actually, I need to have a filter here. So only if the email is found, right? Email exists. I think this is one of the most powerful systems I've built in this channel, frankly, along with the last video. Email found. Click save. And then I'm going to run once. Get into data, found email, dream email, instantly, blah, blah, blah. Go back here. There's no leads. If I go run through this, and then I have the lead sequence. This is going to be personalization, and it's through this. Okay, so this is what I mean by a great email. Shane, hey, congrats on closing that Series B round for Poly Market. I don't know what this is. I've been following the traction you've been getting from crypto communities, especially after that insightful piece of information Marcus in the node last month. Always have been a big believer that curated prediction markets can efficiently aggregate dispersed knowledge. with this new capital, I'm excited to see how you keep scaling. I'm thought about a way, and I build AI supported outbound machines so founders can focus on closing business. Would it be crazy if we found some time to chat about this next week? I think this is gonna get probably like a 50% reply rate. Wow, like I actually knocked this out of the park for you guys. Yeah, I'm glad I shared this. Like I know a lot of people, like only people that actually want to make money is gonna use this. So awesome, guys. I think that's pretty much it. All I have to do now is remove this. I can just run through this entire flow. And since I have 1,500 leads, so I'll scrape like 1,500 leads using the scraper. And it's just a 7-day trial. Just keep that in mind. And now I can essentially start a campaign with a fraction of the cost. And I didn't pay for this ultimate. I just used the trial, right? This is how it is easy to get clients nowadays and leverage the real juice of AI and automation to basically automate your entire lead generation, find companies that are high intent buyers, right? So hopefully you found some value in this one.